Hi, I'm Jay Porter from Radial Engineering here at Full Compass to show our DiNET Dante direct boxes. So the DiNET Dante direct boxes, there's actually two different models, a send model and a receive model. So the DAN RX is our receive model. So this takes Dante in from the network, has a local level control for a headphone output, and then outputs 2 channels XLR. So very useful to dropping 1 or 2 channels of audio anywhere on the Dante network, whether it be just 2 channels for an overflow room that's connecting directly to a set of powered speakers, or even just using it for comms. Someone needs to hear what's being sent to them over the Dante network, plug in a pair of earbuds and have a separate level control and be able to monitor the feed that's being sent to them. So that's the DAN RX. Now the DAN TX is a traditional radial direct box. So it gives you a variety of input and output options, the 1/4 inch, the RCA, and the 3.5 mini jack. The 1/4 inch can be set instrument or line level. So when set as an instrument level, works as a standard DI where you plug your instrument into the top jack, the bottom jack becomes a throughput to your amplifier, so the musician can still have this plugged in line with their amp and be able to use the amplifier for on-stage monitoring, meanwhile sending out the instrument stream to the Dante network. The RCA and 3.5 mil work just as that. When you switch to a line mode, the 1/4 inch become either unbalanced or balanced depending on what connector you plug into it. So you can plug in a set of stereo keys, or you could even plug in some TRS cables from an analog mixing board to connect to the Dante network. So very useful in that regard. Also has a input trim, so you can make sure that you're not overloading the circuit right from the input. And then you switch around to the backside. You've got your Cat5 Ethernet connection for connecting to the Dante network. You also have a power supply for a 15-volt included power adapter. So this allows you to use the power adapter, or you can also use PoE, Power over Ethernet, are available on both of these boxes, but the power adapter is included just in case your network does not provide that. So the DiNET DAN RX and DiNET DAN TX are the Dante-compatible direct boxes from Radial Engineering. For more information, go to fullcompass.com or contact your Full Compass sales pro.